Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Skrill card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your Skrill card. Locate your card and make sure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV code ready. You will also need access to your Skrill account. Step 2. Log into your Skrill account. Open the Skrill website or mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to activate your card. Step 3. Navigate to Card Activation. In your Skrill account, go to the Cards section and select your Skrill card. Then click or tap Activate Card. Step 4. Enter card details. Enter the required card information, including the CVV code, expiration date, and any additional details requested. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 5. Confirmation. Once your Skrill card is successfully activated, you will see a confirmation message in your account. Your card is now ready to use for online purchases, in-store payments, and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.